Hello students, in this section we will talk about thalassemia. Thalassemia is an autosomal recessive disorder. It is also due to the affection of hemoglobin molecule. The abnormal hemoglobin molecules. Here hemoglobin molecules having two globular chain, that is called alpha hemoglobin or alpha globular chain, and beta globular chain here. Hemoglobin molecule is affected during a thalassemia, then it's lead to a disorder called anemia. Affected structure of hemoglobin molecule causes anemia here. Here's that. Now the next is, on the basis of affection of alpha or beta globular chain, it is of two types. On the basis of globular chain, that is alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia here. In alpha thalassemia, if alpha globular chain of hemoglobin affected, alpha chain of hemoglobin affected, here beta globular chain of hemoglobin affected. Here, if we are going to talk about alpha globular chain, then the gene for alpha globular chain are, the genes are HbA1, HbA2 on chromosome number 6 of both parents. And the second thing is that they are closely related to each other. Closely related, or we can say in a better manner that They have high linkage. It's a chromosome number 16. If we just assume that it's a 16 chromosome number, that is HbA1, HbA2, and we assume it's from maternal side, and if it's located on a paternal side, HbA1, HbA2. There are 4 genes. If we are going to talk about on a male, only for a male, there are 2 genes, HbA1 and HbA2, and on a female there are again HbA1 and HbA2. Out of these 4 genes on a homologous chromosome, if any one is affected, then it causes the synthesis of alpha globular chain. We mention it here. If any one of 4 genes get affected, then it causes the synthesization of alpha globular chain. On the other hand, beta, the gene HBB, the gene is HBB, which is located on chromosome number 11. Located on chromosome 11 on both parents. Now it's from father side, it's from mother side. If we just assume it's a HBB, out of these 2s, because they are located on a homologous chromosome, they are considered as 2 genes here. Out of 2, if anyone is affected, then it causes the synthesis of, or it affects the synthesis of beta globular chain here. If any one of 2 get affected, causes the synthesis of beta globular chain here. So here in thalassemia we just considered that about the alpha and beta thalassemia. So what we have to do in this, first of all, it is an autosomal recessive disorder due to the abnormal hemoglobin molecule. Due to the abnormality in hemoglobin molecule, the hemoglobin molecule having 2 type of globular chain, alpha globular chain and a beta globular chain here. Affection or in the structure of hemoglobin molecule, it causes a disorder called anemia. On the basis of affection on a globular chain, it may be on a alpha globular chain or a beta globular chain. It is called as a alpha thalassemia and a beta thalassemia. Alpha thalassemia having on the affection of alpha globular chain and beta on a beta globular chain. Alpha thalassemia is the genes responsible for that. They are HbA1 and HbA2, which are located on a chromosome number 16 on both of the parents. If any one of the gene out of 4, as we have discussed here, out of 4 any one gene get affected, it cause the synthesis of alpha globular chain, which cause alpha thalassemia. The gene which is responsible for beta globular chain synthesis is HBB, which is located on a chromosome number 11, as we have discussed here. It is located on a chromosome number 11. If any one of the two get affected, it also stop or reduce the synthesis of beta globular chain here, or it cause beta thalassemia.